Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Renee if you're new here, and I share all things home related. Now I'm in my kitchen and you might be wondering what video I'm up to today. And as you can see in the title, I'll be sharing with you a few ways that you can use to update your small or tiny kitchen. Most of you have seen my kitchen makeover that I did a few months ago, and you guys have been asking some questions, so I decided to put it in this video. Now I will be sharing with you a few ways that you can update your kitchen, and I also want to give a huge shout out to Asoko Lighting for sponsoring today's video. The first thing that I did to update my kitchen was to add in paint. So when I came here, it was a blue Morning Glory paint. I changed it to this yellow color, and I realized that it wasn't working out in the kitchen. So what I did, I went and get this dark gray color from Berger. It is called Electricity, and I normally say, and most people normally say, don't use dark color into small space because it makes the space feel darker. But because I know that I was going to change the color of the cabinet, I actually used the dark gray paint. So since I mentioned cabinets, that's another way that you can use to update your small kitchen. You can change the look of your cabinet by adding paint, or if you're in a rental premises where you cannot use paint, you can always use contact paper. Now they have different design, different color, different style contact paper. There are many persons that also show you how they use contact paper to update their space. I know Wayna World, Style by Imani, and there are a few others that actually use contact paper. So you can always go ahead and purchase your favorite contact paper from Amazon, or you can go ahead and purchase paint. Now I actually use a Berger paint. It was a low sheen paint that I painted this cabinet with. And also, since I'm actually talking about cabinet, your countertop, you can change the look of your countertop. So same with paint, you can use paint, or you can also use the same contact paper. Now this is a tiled countertop, and I will show you a picture of how it looked before. And what I did, I just used paint and paint the top of it. It is going really well. I did not get a sealer. I think I should get a sealer very soon for it, but this was one method I used to update the space. This portion of the video is sponsored by Asoko Lighting. Now, Asoko Lighting reached out to me, and I could not say no to them because you guys know, and you always hear me mention under cabinet lighting. Now when Asoko reached out to me about their motion sensor light, so this one is a motion sensor light that you can use under your cabinet, you can use it under your closet, you can use it in your bathroom, you can use it on any shelving. Some person use it as a side light for their bedside table, so it can use for many different purposes. And what I like about it, it's this white color, so it can blend in with anything, and it has this motion sensor on it. So when you're coming in the kitchen or anywhere where you know it's dark in the night, you don't have to turn on the overhead light. So once you enter, you can always use the under cabinet lighting here. So this is the Asoko Lighting, and this is how it comes. It comes in this white box. Let me see. When you take it out, it has this manual that says Asoko under cabinet lighting, and it also comes with a card. It says scan the transparency. So our website, so you can always visit their website. You can always email them as well. So what is in the package? It has this Asoko motion sensor light that comes in it. It is white. It has these two magnets here, and here are these two. It has this rechargeable card as well, so it is rechargeable. So you can always recharge it. What I like about it, it's not the battery operated one. And also it has these two metal pieces that you will stick under your cabinet. Metal piece. So I'm going to put it underneath here. I hope the two-sided tapes hold firmly. So I should have measured it. That's the first thing I should have done. So one piece goes here. But what I'll do is put this piece here, and then I'll know where to put the other piece. All right. So we're using this to measure it. So this is one piece here. This is how it is. It's not bad. It's pretty good. And what I really like about it is that it is rechargeable. So I'm going to turn on the motion sensor part of it where it says auto. So let me see, put it on auto and see how, wow, the auto works. So let me move and see if it turns off by itself, how bright it is. Okay, it's bright. So once you purchase your Asoko Lighting, you get your 20% off discount. So go ahead and ensure you do that purchase. So under cabinet lighting is one way that you can use to make your kitchen look luxurious. And with Asoko Lighting, you can get that feeling now. So head on down in the description and start purchasing yours from Amazon with the link in the description from Asoko Lighting. The next way that you can use to make your kitchen look luxurious is by lighting a candle and decorating your space. So when you light a candle, it gives you that vibes of lux, and also just decorating your kitchen. And also my kitchen is not fully decorated now because I did for the fall, and now I should decorate for the Christmas. There's a video that's going to come up where I might decorate for the Christmas, so I removed most of the decoration here already. So that is one way that you can use to make your kitchen look luxurious. Now, another way that you can use to update your kitchen is by changing your knobs. And if you don't want to change the knobs on your cabinet, you can just simply spray paint them. So like these knobs were the brown color just like the cabinet, and I just simply spray paint them in black so that it blends in with the gray as well that was going on in the kitchen. So that was another way that I use. So knobs are really affordable as well, and they can be a bit pricey. I know Amazon sells some packs of them, and one thing you need to do when you're going to purchase your knobs is by measuring. So there are some knobs that has the two ends. Ensure you measure it before so that you can get the right size. Another way that you can use to update your small kitchen is by changing your flooring. There are so many ways that you can use to change the flooring in your kitchen. You can use peel and stick tile, you can use peel and stick vinyl or vinyl, whatever you call it. And also you can use regular floor vinyl that comes on a roll. So in my small kitchen, I actually use the roll, and I got it cut to size, and that will change the whole look of your kitchen, making it look beautiful. Making your counter space clutter-free is another way that you can use to make your kitchen look luxurious. When you have a clutter-free counter space, it looks clean, it don't look cluttered. So the less stuff you have on your counter, the better it look good. It just don't have this bag of stuff on it. So try to keep your countertop clutter-free, and that's one way that you can use to make your kitchen look luxurious. And last but not least, it is not really in my kitchen, but you can use backsplash. So there are a few persons as well that you will see that use backsplash on their kitchen, and right here you can always add different design. They have subway backsplash style, they have pattern, and they have different design backsplash that you can use to update your kitchen. So ensure that when you're going to think of updating your kitchen, think about the color, think about everything before you go ahead, and you can always add backsplash. I did not add any here because I like how the gray flowed in from the wall here to here, but in the future if I decide to add a backsplash, I can always add one. But so far, because this style came up so far, I didn't really want to add any backsplash here. So that's another way that you can use to update your kitchen. So thank you again for watching today's video. Thank you Asoko Lighting for sponsoring today's video as well. I do enjoy my Asoko Lighting, and you can too by clicking the link in the description. So see you guys on the next video.